just a little quick video here to show off that Kona Cold Kiting is a viable way to AoE farm as a mage on Turtle WoW. Since they, in the class change update, nerfed Improved Blizzard and bumped it down from, I guess, 50% or 40%. Or like the added effect of it, making the old method of 2 blizzards, Frost Nova, 2 blizzards, finish them off, not a viable way to AoE farm. And I guess they did this to, yes, nerf the amazing class that is Mage and make it a bit harder for us. They also nerfed the Shatter talent, making the crit chance, I think they lowered it from 50 or 45, but it's lower. So kind of nerfing kind of cold kiting a little bit as well, but it's still very good, as I will show. Now I am 5 or 4 levels higher than these mobs, but with the boosted XP to the server and then with the rested XP from tents, you still get tons of XP from mobs while still being a lot higher than them. Like these Hillspread Footmen give almost like 600 XP per mob, while I'm legit like 5 levels higher. So if you imagine doing this on equally leveled mobs, I mean, it's gonna be crazy. I leveled from 29 to 30 in, I think, like 30-40 minutes, which is still like pretty darn fast. Anyways, I'm not seeing any mages. I mean, this is a spot that's always farmed by mages, and I haven't seen any. This might not be peak hours, but I feel like there's not a lot of mages AoE farming, and the reason is because they feel like they can without the Blizzard method. But I want to show you that the Kona Cold method is, I'd say, just as good. So yeah, let's see if we can get a decent sized pull here. These are kind of irritating, but let's see if we can get over the, yes. So I'm not using Mana Shield here because I'm quite higher level and they don't do that much damage. I don't do a Flame Strike at the start because I want to keep them stacked and I don't want any runners. Because if I do a Flame Strike at the start, by the time I do my second Kona Cold, some of them will start running. But now I can keep it stacked until the end like this, and then just finish them off with Arcane Explosion. And I mean, 520 XP for one mob, and this isn't even in like that big of a pool. I think this is still a very good method. The only downside is that you kind of need some sort of area to move around in, but you also do that with Blizzard. The thing with Blizzard is you kind of just move straight back. Here you kind of need to be able to run in a circle. Most viable or good AoE spots has this room though. If you there's the Lions at the northern part here, which is an open area, and then you have the Defias here. As the next spot also has a good open area, and then in Aratha Highlands as Horde, there's this farm around here somewhere that also is has a good open area. So I honestly think that this is a very good method, and yeah, they try to take us down. The beautiful mage class, but I don't know if they wanted people to like use Kona Cold Kiting because it's more engaging. You have to be a bit more awake. It's not as brain off as Blizzard. like it's more engaging, or if they just thought that this would like eliminate people AoE farming altogether, which I don't know. That seems like a far-fetched hope for sweaty WoW players. Anyways, a short little video to show cold kiting is still viable, and I think a very effective method for leveling as a mage. That's about it. See ya.